In this 5-minute video, let's dive into a topic that affects us all: vaccines. With virus season just around the corner, understanding the importance of vaccines is crucial for our health and well-being. So grab a seat, and let's uncover what you need to know about vaccines. First and foremost, what exactly is a vaccine? Well, a vaccine is a substance that stimulates our immune system to recognize and fight off specific diseases. It contains tiny pieces of the virus or bacteria that cause the disease or a weakened or inactivated form of the pathogen. These pieces trigger our immune system to produce a response, which helps us build immunity against that particular disease. You might wonder, how do vaccines actually work? When we receive a vaccine, our immune system encounters these harmless pieces of the pathogen. It mounts a defense by producing antibodies, which are like tiny soldiers that recognize and attack the specific pathogen. These antibodies stay in our system, ready to fight off the real threat if we ever encounter it in the future. So, when a virus tries to invade our body, our immune system is well prepared and can quickly neutralize it before we get sick. Now, you might have heard some misconceptions about vaccines. Let's address a few of those. One common myth is that vaccines cause the diseases they are meant to prevent. This couldn't be further from the truth. Vaccines are carefully developed and tested to be safe and effective. While a vaccine might cause mild side effects like a sore arm or low-grade fever, it cannot give you the actual disease. Remember, vaccines contain only pieces or weakened forms of the pathogen, not the whole thing. Additionally, some people worry about the ingredients in vaccines. Rest assured, vaccines go through rigorous testing to ensure their safety. They only contain ingredients necessary for the vaccine's effectiveness and stability. Common ingredients include antigens, the harmless pieces of the pathogen, preservatives, and adjuvants that enhance the immune response. Any concerns about specific ingredients can easily be addressed by consulting healthcare professionals. Another crucial topic is herd immunity. We can think of it as a shield that protects vulnerable individuals in our community. When a significant portion of the population is vaccinated against a disease, it becomes difficult for the pathogen to spread. This means that even those who cannot receive vaccines due to medical reasons are safer, as the disease has a hard time finding new hosts. By getting vaccinated, we not only protect ourselves but also contribute to the health and safety of our entire community. It's also worth mentioning that vaccines have had a tremendous impact on public health. Many devastating diseases that once claimed countless lives, like smallpox and polio, have been virtually eradicated thanks to vaccines. By getting vaccinated, we are not only protecting ourselves but also helping to eliminate and control diseases that can cause severe illness and even death. Lastly, let's talk about the COVID-19 vaccines. The ongoing pandemic has made us all more aware of the importance of vaccines in combating infectious diseases. Scientists and researchers have been working tirelessly to develop safe and effective vaccines to protect us from COVID-19. These vaccines have undergone rigorous testing and have shown to be highly effective in preventing severe illness and hospitalization. By getting vaccinated against COVID-19, we are not only protecting ourselves but also helping to end the pandemic and return to a sense of normalcy. In conclusion, vaccines play a vital role in preventing and controlling infectious diseases. They stimulate our immune system to fight off specific pathogens, build immunity, and protect us from severe illness and complications. Vaccines are safe, thoroughly tested, and have had a tremendous impact on public health throughout history. By getting vaccinated, we not only safeguard ourselves but also contribute to the well-being of our community. So, let's stay informed, consult healthcare professionals, and do our part to keep ourselves and those around us healthy.